Hey YouTube, welcome back. I'm gonna unbox this one again from the Magic of Macy. I believe my wife go crazy shopping because they have awesome deals. So this one is a pretty heavy and big package compared to other one. So let's go and then get this open. There's an invoice in there somewhere, so I gotta take it out. So there are like two items in here. It is both of them are family pajamas. One is for men's buffalo plate, barely, and the other one it is the same. Oh, so it is a buffalo checker, I guess, check, and the other one is woman. What the elf pajama? Size small. Candy cane stripes, or let's go ahead and pop this. So I guess this one is the man's. Ooh, and this one is the woman. Holy. So this one is the men's extra large. Ooh, retail for $70. So I believe this one is the one that's on sale for $19.99. She said nothing over $20. So I believe the $59.50. I think she said starting off $13.99. I hope she's right. Let's go ahead and pop this open real quick for the men's. So you got this barely awake white bear with the snowflakes, long sleeve, family pajama, extra large, made in Cambodia again. So on the back is plain, okay. And this is the pants that goes with it. Oh, it's pretty big, extra large. I guess this is the jogger. Got your drawstring to tie it. And there are no pockets at all, okay. So let's move on to it says Missy family pajama, size medium, candy cane stripes. So let's open it up and see. Stop elfing around. So I got this elfing with their heads and body with the writing on there. You see their feet, the shoes. And, for the woman, it is all cut open on the both sides. and it is green color long sleeve. The back is plain. Then you got this stripes pants. Guess they call it jogger. Size medium. Alright, so this is my unboxing for this pajamas. Hopefully you guys like the video. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any on the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.